Bore da, I've come to Rhyw on the Llyn Peninsula today to show you around 2 authentic Welsh stone cottages. 1 bedroom in this one, sleeps 2.
Here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you.
So just the 1 double bedroom in this one, sleeps 2. Spacious kitchen, log fire then in the lounge next door, and a lovely picture window, making the most of these sea views behind me. We're looking down towards Porthaescott. I've got some really happy memories of swimming in the sea there. Then you've got a big open beach at Porthnegel, just a bit further up the coast. That's a really popular spot with surfers. And then if you head the other direction, you get to Aberdaron. That's a lovely sort of seaside town. A couple of pubs and cafes there for you to enjoy. Let me go show you inside. Bye.
Then you're breathing in.